on, guys? Today I'm doing somewhat, I guess, of a special video because I told my friend Raph that I would do this video of some of these just ugly, disgusting burps that he does. So I got about, say about maybe 10 or 12, and I'm just gonna play them off. Alright, make sure I got the sound turned up all the way, and here we go.
That was kind of it. I'm not even gonna lie, that was kind of it. It's like really hot. I don't think you understand. Like, it's hot outside. That's not why I made this video. That was not why I was making this voice recording. But,
oh my god, Raph. We're gonna sneak it in that damn fucking ugly ass burp, okay. On to the next one.
Okay. So like I was trying to say, yeah, it was hot outside. Like, it was really, really hot. Like, I don't think you understand how hot it was outside. And I'm coming inside, I'm like, okay, I have this fan and everything. And oh no, hold on. Okay, yeah. Okay, anyways. Yeah, I'm like, okay, I have this fan on. Oh my god, this fan is hot as shit. It's not even cold. It's not even warm. It's just heat. And I need some air. I need some like air conditioning. Even the window's opening. Even the window's open and I'm so hot. Shut on. Wait, man. What are you trying to
Oh my god. I'm gonna play that one more time. Oh my god. Oh my god, man, he burped so goddamn loud that the damn audio was starting to fuck up. Jeez. Damn.
Oh, look. Wait, he has like a mustache?
Ew! Ew! Alright, I think it was this one. I think that was next. What the hell was that? What the hell was that?
Oh, that was so... Oh, damn, I swallowed that one. Man, that was disgusting.
That's what she said.
That was still kind of disgusting. That swallowed the burp.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
I turned invisible.
Oh my god! The audio on that one. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Okay, I think... I don't know if that's... I think that's... Okay, I think that's the same one. Oh my god.
Oh no. And yes, I do. I was gonna take a picture, but I had to burp.
Get up on the last two, and I'll stop the video. God damn. Alright, now on to the last one. That's the last one. I'm not expecting a lot of people to to drop likes or subscribe for this. I mean, y'all don't have to leave a like. Just, I mean, I know this is just a stupid video, but but yeah, if you guys feel like leaving a like, you don't have to. You can leave hell, like, you can just leave like a comment fucking saying about how freaking disgusting and how ugly my friend Raph's freaking burps are. There's a couple of them damn fucking shits were so fucking high pitched, or they were just so fucking loud that his damn phone, the audio was getting like the audio on his phone was getting murked by his damn freaking burp. But alright guys, like I said, if you feel like it, like and subscribe, but like definitely leave a comment, just like comment on his burps, like the ugliness, and yeah, Raph, I made the video. Shout out to his channel, which is shout out to his channel, which is Little Raph 717. And yeah, peace.